Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjective. Old. Old. Something that has been around for a long time. Old. She is an old woman. Yeah, that is an old book. That's an old book. This is not an old book. See, that's an old book, but this is not an old book. No. Those are old books. Yeah. I have one book that is so old. I have an old book from the 1920s. It is so old that the cover is the old-fashioned style. Yeah, old. That was his old idea. Yeah. Yeah, he does not want to be old, yet his ideas are old. He doesn't want to be old, but his ideas are old. I'm writing up my old thoughts. Yes, you see, I am sharing with you my old ideas and theories. Yeah, but because they are old, they are not really applicable anymore. Yeah, they're so old, not worth it anymore. Yeah. Okay. When will you have the old parts back? Yeah. How long, or how old is your car? How old is your car? 10 years old? Yeah, 5? Yeah. Yes, so I have a lot of old videos on the channel. Videos I recorded weeks and months ago. Woo! How cool is that? So old. Yes, that is an old forest. That was the old path we went down. The old path. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, old. Now, can you use old in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.